please.
What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day here at the shop. Sun is shining. It was only like 30 degrees last night, but it's like 40 something today, so it's sun shining. It's kind of warm. Gonna pull the BMW out today, kind of give it a nice little hand wash. We haven't actually washed this car at all, other than like washing the hood and the bumper to paint. But yeah, other than that, give it a hand wash and then give it a clay bar wax, maybe a little polish, stuff like that, just to kind of clean it up a little bit more. It is super clean. Before I do that though, I want to get some of this remaining stuff kind of out of here. This has been kind of bugging me for a little bit. David got most of the parts today for his F350 rebuild, which you'll probably be seeing some of that coming up pretty shortly. But yeah, before I guess we get started with today's video, the Supra will be at the Hot Import Nights like car show event in Denver. It's at the National Western Complex on November 24th from 2 to 9 p.m. We're going to have a vendor booth there. We're going to have probably Big Dirty, the trailer, and the giveaway car outside. And then on the inside, we will be selling merchandise and doing all that other stuff, and that will get you entered if you do purchase there. But you'll be able to basically have your merchandise there, and we won't have to ship it or do anything like that. So if you guys are in Colorado, surrounding area or whatever, within a couple hour drive, I recommend coming out and taking a look at that. Support your boy, get some merch in person, as well as taking a look at the freaking Supra. We do have another car that's going to be there. It's an Evo 8 MR. Makes like 600 and some wheel horse. It's a gal on the Instagram. Her name is I Crave Boost. So some of you guys are probably familiar with her car. You've seen it around. But her car will be in the booth. Supra will be there. We'll be selling all the merch. You can, links in the description for the event. But if you use the code MotionAuto, all caps, it'll save you $10 off of vehicle registration if you want to register your vehicle to get it entered into the show, or $5 off of VIP or general gate admission. But yeah, if you guys are in Colorado, I'd appreciate you coming out and supporting your boy. And if you do go, make sure to use that code. Just to show them, that I'm doing some work for them, because we're kind of doing some stuff with the vendor booth. So hopefully I get a lot of you guys there, sell some merch, win-win, works for everybody. But yeah, I think we might even do a little bit of a cutting and buffing on here. So there's a couple little things like that we'll get out of here, make it look nice. It already looks nice, but it'll look even nicer. I just can't believe this freaking space right here. It's gonna be better. Give me a minute. It's just crazy how clean this freaking car is. I mean, I know everything looks good in videos, but man, this thing actually looks really good in real life. So yeah, we're gonna pull it in, dry it off, and then try to do like a quick little, like a single polish on just the top of it, just to kind of give it a little bit better of a sheen, and then probably do nib some of that stuff out of the hood. Oh, the belt's squealing because we did the engine bay. That's a clean freaking Beamer. And look at that, pulling into like an almost clean shop too. It's crazy. Hi guys, so after we got it all washed and clay barred outside, when Head pulled it in, Dave kind of gave this a little bit of a spritz with some nice dressing. Got that looking pretty in the engine bay. So I need to polish this other headlight. But as you've seen, I was dabbing a couple little guys in the thing. What is that? Oh yeah, so that's a rock chip. So we did a little bit of rock chip stuff on the front fenders. There's a couple random little spots on like the doors, little things on the side skirts. A couple, like a little scuffing thing, like right here on the back bumper. Went ahead and basically just put, you know, little drops of paint in that stuff. And so what I'm gonna do is sand those just a little bit, kind of knock off the top of them, and then we're basically just gonna kind of throw a quick compound on the car, a quick little polish, and then this thing's gonna look freaking good. So the one thing that sucks about the shop right now, see there's 2 lights right there, 2 lights right there, and there's 1 light bulb in each of these guys. So it looks really dim over here when it should look pretty bright. So yeah, we're basically just gonna go ahead and actually officially detail this car. Ty's working on the interior, doing some stuff to the leather. Is this leather or pleather?
This Beamer, it should be leather.
No, it's probably fake.
I mean, it's probably not yet. Well, I don't know if they offered, like, nowadays if you get like a 3 Series, the like Dakota leather is like an option. But I feel like back then it wasn't.
Yeah, it's I mean, there's some grime in here, but overall it's pretty clean. I mean, really, it's there. It just needs kind of spruced up a little bit. So we are Ty, what are you using over there? Are we doing some secret product testing?
Some product testing, so
stay tuned. Stay tuned. Probably before the end of the giveaway, we might have some more.
We're hoping. If it works out well,
some cleaner, some leather stuff, some spray wax, all the things. Some actual like car wash and some other things. So all that stuff is in the works. Been in the works for a while, and it's finally kind of, you know, finally decided to kind of pull
to fruition. We finally got Trevor to do something.
Well, I mean,
we got him to do something.
Well, we just had to wait till the time was right, right? I think like right now is the right time.
You know what everyone says though? If you wait until the time is right, you'll always be waiting.
Oh, jeez. Oh, do you think there's? Oh, look at this. This is that coin thing I was telling you about earlier.
What is that? Ooh, that's some fancy fucking engineering.
Can you believe that? Oh, look, and it has a secondary. Oh, look at that. We got a Chewy.
Give this a feel, bud. It's like, do you ever wear gloves on?
No.
See if this feels like not greasy anymore. Pull it from outside then.
I mean, that feels pretty good.
That's no conditioner.
Yeah, and we still need to put the conditioner on it. But yeah, Ty's cleaning up the inside. I'm gonna do some cutting and buffing things on the hood and the other stuff. He's gonna do the inside. I'm gonna do the outside. Dave, what are you doing?
Working on the FD.
He's working on the FD. What do you think about all this light over here?
Yeah, it's like you're Count Dracula and I'm working in your cave.
I mean, that's fine. No, I ordered some lights, so we're gonna try out the Amazon LED tube light conversion things where you have to delete the ballast, but hopefully that'll work.
Money order.
Junkyard money, Dave. How you doing? You sold my turbo.
You should have bought it.
I thought about it. All right, so Ty's gonna clean this up. How clean is this thing gonna be?
I mean, if you look at like this side, kind of compared to that side, you can go give them a look, and then look at the sheen on this seat versus that seat.
Yes, this one's kind of. We're not gonna go crazy because we're actually putting a seat in here.
Race seat come in.
It turned out pretty good, Ty, and especially this whole situation. That was gross. I've never seen this gold color.
What's a Dave head going? Yeah, I don't know what that is. If you guys know.
What gold color?
What this is? It looks like
it's probably a rare edition.
What
so you
it
guys
could be? Yeah.
Because of it.
You guys should enter to win. Oh, did you get a good shot of the T-shirt?
I did.
Make the streets.
I came straight from work, so I'm not wearing one.
Yeah,
straight from work.
Yeah. I came straight from work too.
You came from creative to work. Show's getting ready to give her the buff. I'm gonna get this all vacuumed. I'm just gonna clean this. Look how grimy this is. So we'll just go through and I'm gonna hit this door panel. Try and get some of these years of arm grease and grime off, and then we'll come back and show you where we're at. do you think, Trev?
Oh, this thing's clean. It's crazy.
It's like too clean, huh?
Like, both of us want to keep it as a freaking daily.
Yeah.
We're like, oh, I could use another daily.
Like I have a clean Saab, but just seeing how clean
but
this
I'm like,
is.
I wouldn't mind this as a freaking daily.
Yeah, but my Saab's never been wrecked.
That's why I'm like hesitant to like turn it into a race car, because it's like, I mean that's whoever wins this thing. I mean it's up to them.
They're gonna have a clean.
Oh, so we decided on the welded diff, it's gonna be up to the winner. So we're gonna, whenever we message the winner or whatever, we're just gonna say, hey, like, what do you want? Do you want welded diff? Do you want non-welded diff? If they want a welded diff, we'll pull it out and weld it. If they don't want a welded diff, we'll just leave it open. So that's up to the winner.
Yeah. So I mean, if you want to do like autocross or
yeah, you might want it open, or if you want to, ball out and spend $1,000 on like a BMW, like or like an M3 LSD.
Yeah.
Be our guest, but right now it's open. It's gonna stay open for a little bit. I got suspension arms and coilovers on the way, so it's gonna look nice.
Alright guys, so I hit this side of the driver's side real quick. Like we said, we weren't going to do this driver's seat too crazy. I mostly just want to take some of the oils and stuff out, so I just hit it with some cleaner real quick in that sense. But this driver panel door, really want to get all that years and years of grime and sweat and build up. So remember, you could see it was all gross right there. So got that all nice and clean, and conditioner, and whew. What about the conditioner, Trevor? Tell them.
Oh man, it smells like a brand new, like a brand new leather hide that you just like pulled out of the box. I mean, just
brand new,
genuine freaking leather. Like it smells just.
Yeah.
Even though
so yeah, so we're like I said, Trevor said, we're testing some products. We're working on a cleaner and a conditioner right now, but man, yeah, this smells like a brand new leather car, like a brand new Beamer. Gonna clean the interior a little bit more, Trevor.
I'd say it smells better than a brand new Beamer.
Brand new? I mean, yeah, it literally smells like a brand new saddle. And so, if you guys don't know what that smells like, then
you
can go to your local Western store and smell you a brand new saddle. Trevor just got the hood off.
I mean, look at this. It's like OEM peel now.
Yeah.
OEM peel.
So it's coming through with the polish now.
Yeah, giving her the old.
Giving the old polish. So, and this thing is gonna be just ready. See them coils.
See it in person.
Yeah, no. So I wish everybody could come down and see it. So.
Hot Import Nights.
Yeah.
The National Western Center or whatever in Denver, November 24th. Be there or be square. This will be probably outside on the trailer with Big Dirty and this, and then the Super I'll probably maybe drive up or trailer up or something like that. But yeah.
Yes, we'll be there. Hot Import Nights. We're gonna have her all ready to go for there. Super will be there. We'll be there. Yeah, so if you want to see it in person, and get your entries. That's where to get it. All right, Trevor, let's hear it. Yeah, that is.
I mean, it's not like a damn show car, but it's pretty damn good, I'd say.
Yeah. Yeah, you would never guess the paint on this car. I mean, obviously the hood and the bumper aren't, but you would never guess this car is, you know, as old as it is, with as many miles as it is, and this is just a clean car. I'm excited.
All right, so Ty, you did a hell of a job. Look at the interior of this damn thing. I mean, it has a little tear, like in the seat right here. Ty looked it up, and what do they call this?
Leatherette. So it's a synthetic leather.
But
yeah, it held up pretty good.
Like we keep saying it. Like me and Ty keep saying it. We like in Dave and like we keep looking at this car. Every time we look at it, we're like, this thing is so freaking clean. And it's just crazy. Like I'm so glad that we got this one. And you know, again, this is like, it's hard for me to like want to turn this into a track car for somebody, but anyhow, look at that freaking interior.
Give you guys a quick once over.
I mean, Ty spent a good amount of time in here cleaning it up. I mean, it had a good base. It just had some, you know, grime and stuff on it, but yeah. I mean, overall, that's a hell of a freaking interior. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of wax on the outside of this car, and you know, clean the windows, do some other little stuff like that. But look at this. I mean, there's not even any wax on it yet. It'll get a little bit deeper and brighter and all that stuff.
Man, this thing's clean. So yeah, guys, this is another one that's in the works. We're working on spray wax with Carnauba, so maybe coming soon. Let's see.
Yeah, let us know. Like, we need.
Let us know, guys. Like I said, we're running some testing, some trials on these. Putting it on here. The Show Shine detailer we've already used and love. That thing just gives you such a good, slick, smooth finish.
Alright guys, that's the end of the Beamer video for tonight. Again, let us know what you think. What else do you think we should do to this guy? I do have a seat coming.
Realistically, do.
Yeah, realistically do, not doing crazy stuff, but I mean, I'm super stoked. It's just, I need to quit saying how clean it is, but it's so damn clean. And the Koenig wheels, and Ren forms. Yeah, we're just waiting on the coilovers and the seat. And this thing's pretty much done. I mean, it doesn't leak. It doesn't really do anything like weird or stupid other than the front struts are blown. But obviously that's gonna get fixed when we do the coilovers. But yeah, if you guys are stoked about this thing, be sure to head over to MotionAutoTv.com. Every $5 you spend on merchandise is an automatic entry for a chance to win this BMW, the 2002 F250 Power Stroke, trailer, and $3,000 cash. And I feel like a lot of people are forgetting the fact that second place gets a set of BC Racing BR coilovers for their car of choice. Third place gets a set of Koenig wheels, their choice. So yeah, you know, even if you got your own project car, you got your own truck, you got your own trailer, I mean, you could find a use for this, and $3,000 cash. So yeah, that yeah, exactly. And hot import nights, remember that, link in the description. Appreciate you guys watching, and we'll probably see you tomorrow, but probably the next day.